Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today I have a review video on the Molemo Bug Zapper. So this company reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review video on their product. Sure, and here on the Handyman Land, you're going to get an honest product review on what I think about this Bug Zapper. Also, this product came right on time because if it works, this is the time of the year where we take our plants back into the house, and a lot of times we end up getting a lot of little gnats that could be very annoying. Let's head on over to the workshop. Professional Bug Zapper attracts and kills insects. Now let's open up our box. Okay. A few things in here and our instructions. Wow, sure is nice. And our product comes with our power cable from USB to USB-C, a nice size brush, and I'm assuming this is our attractive bait. Plus, it comes with a warranty card. Here on the very top of your unit is where your attractive bait goes. And what you see purple here is our protective shield. And inside, don't touch that, is your electric grid. And inside our unit, about here, is our fan. And here we have our light indicator, our on and off power button, our USB-C port, and our insect collecting tray. And let's talk about our unit. Our input voltage and current is DC 5 volts and 1 amp. Product material is made of ABS. It has an output voltage of DC 1800 volts. Our wavelength is 395 nanometers and our product consumption is 3 watts. The cool thing about this product is the current of the lighting and the electric shock is 400 milliamps. Yes, any insect that comes into contact will get killed. And for those of you that want to know, current of the lighting, fan, and the electric shock is 600 milliamps. Now just to show you the insect collection tray. Simple to open and close. Let's plug in our unit. Today I'll be using my portable power station. You will notice as soon as you plug in your device, it will automatically go into standby state, which is your red LED. And go ahead and press your on and off button for the first time. Your UVA light will turn on and your unit is activated. Right now it's in the electric shock killing mode. The green LED will indicate that. Press your on and off button for the third time. You will get a blue LED and your suction fan will turn on. This is what's called the mosquito suction mode. If you listen clearly, you can hear a light hum. Let's go ahead and turn this off, unplug it. Also, for you to know, this unit does not have a battery in it. It has to be plugged in at all times. It does not take a charge. And I know some of you out there do not have a USB outlet on your wall, but you could take from your cell phone charger and plug in their cable and you're good to go. And if you're curious what the brush is for, it's only just to clean out your unit. When you got bugs in there, you don't want to touch it. Probably some are stuck in the grill here. Perhaps some are stuck here. But only clean this when it's unplugged. Also keep this away from children because they will get shocked. Let's take a look at our little tablets here. Okay, it's one. And supposedly you can peel this somewhere. Okay, so supposedly there was something to peel. I thought it was on the back side, but it was supposed to be on the top, and mine's didn't come with that. Let's just place it in. Oh, it sticks in there tight. Let's see. Yep. That's not going to fall out. Also, inside our sealed package was this little pin here. You can see that. And what the pin is for is so you could poke a small hole in your bait. There you go. As you can see, small little hole. And in the manual, it says that this bait can last you 1 or up to 2 whole months. Now I'm going to go ahead and place our unit in the house overnight and see if we catch any gnats or mosquitoes. Okay, it's the next day and I left it running overnight in the kitchen. So let's open it up and see what we caught. Okay, we have it in the shop now. Let's see. Oh, we got 3. One of them still kicking. Kind of. Also, I see a couple more in here. You can see that. There's one there. There's another one still stuck in this area. Now that's pretty cool. I didn't even know they were in my house. Those look like mosquitoes to me. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it around my wife's plants and see if we can catch the gnats as well. But the product obviously works. I knew I caught something because I heard a pop noise. And it sounded like if it was Rice Krispies. So I knew something got zapped and was in there. Well, there you have it. You saw it here on Handyman Land. This product works. Left it in the kitchen overnight and it caught 5 mosquitoes that I didn't even know there was mosquitoes in the house. And I'm glad it caught them. The other thing is they say the product is more effective when you leave it in the darkest area in the house because the bugs are just more attractive to the light. Also, my viewers get 20% off this product when you use my affiliated coupon code 20Handyman10. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one.